We're in London, folks. Here's a view of, in 360, of the tech travel geeks crossing the Millenium Bridge. And with me today, Lukasz, our Chief Aperture Officer, who has spotted a blemish, a small scratch, on the lens of the Osmo 360. But anyway, let's get walking, as usual. Feel free to pan around. CLO. That actually should be a new title. Actually, you could be Chief Aperture Officer, Interim CLO. Now keep an eye out down to the left and right as we go over the Thames. You'll likely see Uber boats. And that's the bells at St. Paul's ringing. That should be 9 AM.
Engine.
Genuinely, like, I've put a lot of time into the operations side of it, we've got it's working really well, but there's a lot of parallels between what product wants content, kind of like, is that correct?
In Edinburgh, umbrellas for
Yeah.
trips, you have 360 cameras.
I do my best not to use an umbrella in Edinburgh. I don't want to be Mary Poppins flying to Norway.
Yeah.
London is lucky in that there is less wind. You still get a bit of a breeze, but it's not as bad.
Not as good.
Perhaps. Little ones.
And inside I was like, okay.
And there you go, we have crossed the Millennium Bridge. We hope you've enjoyed this short Tech Travel Geeks 360 video of London. If you have any questions, if you'd like to know more, if you'd like to criticise us for walking too close to the middle of the bridge, please do leave us a comment in the section below. And as usual, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. For now, thanks for watching and goodbye from us.
Cheers.